In a world evolving at an unprecedented pace, the dawn of artificial intelligence has cast its formidable shadow on the horizon. Welcome to the first chapter of our journey into AI warfare, navigating the future battlefield. Warfare has been a constant companion of human civilization. From the ancient chariots of war to the nuclear arsenals of the 20th century, each era has seen its own evolution of weaponry. Yet, the dawn of the 21st century has brought forth a game-changer unlike any other: artificial intelligence. To comprehend the profound impact AI is poised to have on warfare, we must first understand its roots. Artificial intelligence, a term coined in the mid-20th century, has progressed from rudimentary algorithms to intricate neural networks that mimic the human brain. This relentless march of progress has led us to the doorstep of a new era, an era where AI is not just a tool, but a potential game-changer on the battlefield. Imagine intelligent machines capable of thinking, learning, and adapting in real time. These are not the stuff of science fiction anymore, but realities that are shaping the arsenals of the world's most advanced militaries. From autonomous drones that can strike with surgical precision to AI-powered defense systems that can intercept incoming threats in the blink of an eye, the future battlefield is likely to be dominated by these smart machines. But this brave new world of AI warfare isn't without its challenges. As we delegate more and more decision-making power to machines, we must grapple with profound ethical and strategic implications. How do we ensure these autonomous systems adhere to the laws of war? How do we prevent them from being misused or falling into the wrong hands? These are questions that demand our urgent attention. Today, as we stand on the brink of a new era, we find ourselves at a crossroads. The dawn of AI warfare holds the promise of revolutionizing the battlefield, but it also brings with it new challenges and uncertainties. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it is imperative that we tread with caution and wisdom. Today, we stand on the brink of a new era, an era where machines with artificial intelligence play a pivotal role in shaping the battlefield. To understand the future, we must first delve into the past. The story of artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of rapid evolution and untapped potential. It's a tale that begins in the mid-20th century with the birth of simple, rule-based systems. These machines could perform basic tasks, but their capabilities were limited. They were the first steps on a journey that would revolutionize the world. As we moved into the latter part of the century, AI began to evolve. Machine learning emerged, allowing systems to learn from data and make predictions. Suddenly, the potential of AI became clear. It was no longer a tool for simple tasks. It was a technology that could learn, adapt, and improve. By the turn of the century, AI had made significant strides. The development of deep learning and neural networks marked a new era in AI advancement. These systems could process vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and making predictions with unprecedented accuracy. They were no longer just mimicking human intelligence, they were beginning to understand it. As AI continues to evolve, its applications have become increasingly diverse. Today, it's not unusual to see AI in our homes, workplaces, and even our pockets. But one of the most transformative applications of AI lies in a field that has always been at the forefront of technological innovation: warfare. The military has always been quick to adopt new technologies, and AI is no exception. From enhancing decision-making capabilities to autonomously operating systems, AI is poised to revolutionize the battlefield. As one expert puts it, AI has the potential to change the game in warfare, providing a strategic advantage that could be the difference between victory and defeat. Yet, as we stand on the brink of this new era, it's essential to remember the journey that brought us here. To appreciate the potential of AI, we must recognize the evolution that has taken place. From the primitive systems of the mid-20th century to the sophisticated neural networks of today, the rise of AI has been nothing short of extraordinary. AI has come a long way, but the journey is far from over. As we look to the future, we can expect AI to continue to evolve, bringing new opportunities and challenges. The battlefield of the future will look very different from the one we know today, shaped by the rise of AI and the transformative potential it holds. From the first primitive systems to the sophisticated neural networks of today, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. The future battlefield will be populated with a new breed of warriors, intelligent machines designed to outthink and outmaneuver the enemy. With a quick glance at the AI arsenal, it's clear that these aren't your typical weapons. They're smart, autonomous, and capable of decisions that would make even the savviest general blink. For instance, autonomous drones have become the vanguard of this revolution. These aren't your everyday delivery drones, mind you. Equipped with advanced AI, they can carry out reconnaissance, surveillance, and even targeted strikes, all while minimizing human risk. Then there are the AI-powered tanks, behemoths of technology that blend raw power with cutting-edge intelligence. Imagine a tank that can navigate complex terrains, identify targets, and make strategic decisions, all without a human in the loop. And it's not just about the big guns. AI is also making waves in cyber warfare, where intelligent algorithms can detect threats, defend systems, and even launch counterattacks in a digital battlefield that's as crucial as any physical one. But this technological marvel comes at a cost, and nations worldwide are digging deep into their pockets to foot the bill. The global investment in military AI technologies is staggering, reflecting the high stakes of this new form of warfare. The United States, China, Russia, all are pouring resources into developing AI arsenals, each hoping to gain the upper hand in the evolving landscape of conflict. Yet, as we marvel at the power and potential of these AI warriors, we must tread carefully. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI warfare is no exception. The ethical implications are profound, from questions of accountability and transparency to the troubling prospect of machines making life-and-death decisions. As we navigate this new battlefield, one thing is clear. The ethical implications of AI in warfare must be carefully considered. The future of warfare is here, and it's intelligent, autonomous, and filled with promise and peril. AI isn't just a tool, it's a game-changer in military strategy. Imagine a grandmaster at chess, able to think several moves ahead and anticipate various outcomes. Now multiply that capability by 1,000,000. That's the power AI brings to the table. It processes vast amounts of data in real time, providing commanders with strategic insights that are simply beyond human capacity. Consider the Battle of Midway during World War II. The United States, through superior intelligence gathering and decryption, managed to predict the Japanese Navy's movements. This strategic advantage led to a decisive victory that turned the tide of the war in the Pacific. Now, imagine if AI had been at the helm, processing even more data, predicting movements with even greater accuracy. The outcome could have been achieved even quicker. In the 21st century, the data available for military operations is exponentially larger. From satellite imagery to signals intelligence, the amount of information at our disposal is staggering. But without the power of AI to analyze and interpret this data, it's like having a library full of books in a language no one understands. AI can sift through this data, identifying patterns and making predictions with a speed and accuracy that humans just can't match. It can simulate countless scenarios, learning and adapting as it goes. It can guide strategic decisions, from the deployment of troops to the best route for a supply convoy. But the strategic advantage of AI isn't limited to the battlefield. It also extends to logistics and supply chains. In World War II, the Red Ball Express was a massive logistical effort by the US Army to supply its advancing troops after the invasion of Normandy. Imagine if AI had been in charge of optimizing that supply chain, ensuring that every truck, every gallon of fuel, every bullet was used to its maximum potential. From predicting enemy movements to optimizing supply chains, AI's impact on military operations is multifaceted. It's a force multiplier, a game changer, a revolution in the making. And the nations that harness its power will hold the strategic advantage in the battles of the future. In this new era, the relationship between humans and machines is crucial. It's not about machines replacing humans, but rather about forming a partnership that leverages the strengths of both. This synergy between man and machine is what we call human-machine collaboration. In the context of warfare, this collaboration takes on a new level of significance. Imagine being on a battlefield where every second counts and every decision could mean the difference between life and death. Now imagine having an AI-powered tool that can analyze real-time data, predict enemy movements, and even suggest the best course of action. It's like having an extra pair of eyes, a super intelligent advisor, right there with you in the thick of things. This is no science fiction, it's the reality of modern warfare. Soldiers today are equipped with AI-powered tools that help them navigate the complexities of the battlefield. From drones that provide aerial reconnaissance to wearable devices that monitor vital signs, AI is becoming an integral part of the soldier's toolkit. But it's not just about the tools, it's about the partnership. A relationship where each partner brings something unique to the table. Humans with their creativity, intuition, and ability to make ethical judgments. Machines with their speed, precision, and ability to process vast amounts of data. Together, they form a formidable team. Let's hear it from those on the ground, from the soldiers who have experienced this collaboration firsthand. Soldier 1. Working with AI is like having a trusted ally by your side. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get scared, and it always stays focused. It enhances our capabilities, making us more effective on the battlefield. Soldier 2. AI helps us make sense of the chaos. It provides us with information, insights, and recommendations, but at the end of the day, it's still us, the humans, who make the final decisions. Soldier 3. AI doesn't replace us, it empowers us. It gives us the confidence to face the challenges of the battlefield, knowing that we have the best tools at our disposal. The takeaway here is clear. AI is not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting human capabilities. It's about creating a partnership that is greater than the sum of its parts. A partnership that can navigate the complexities of the modern battlefield with efficiency and effectiveness. As we continue to explore the potential of AI in warfare, let's not lose sight of this crucial relationship. Let's remember that it's not just about machines, but about humans and machines working together. Because in the end, it's like having a trusted ally in the midst of chaos. Scene script. Yet as we embrace the promise of AI in warfare, we must also confront the inherent challenges and risks. The allure of AI's potential is undeniable, but it is not without its shadows. The implications of AI on the battlefield are far-reaching and complex, and we need to tread this new ground with caution and responsibility. Firstly, the ethical concerns surrounding AI in warfare are significant. Machines, no matter how intelligent, lack human judgment and empathy. A machine doesn't understand the concept of proportionality or the difference between a soldier and a civilian. This raises the question, should we entrust life and death decisions to a machine? Moreover, the potential for unintended consequences is immense. An AI system might misinterpret data, causing disastrous results on the battlefield. For instance, what happens if an AI system misidentifies a target, leading to unwarranted aggression or worse, civilian casualties? Then there are issues of accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, who is to blame? The programmer? The commander who deployed the system? The manufacturer? These questions highlight the need for robust legal frameworks to govern the use of AI in warfare. Another challenge is the risk of cyber attacks. AI systems, like any other digital technology, are vulnerable to hacking. Imagine the chaos if an enemy were able to take control of an AI-driven drone or manipulate an AI system to feed false information to commanders. And let's not forget the arms race that AI could potentially trigger. As nations compete to develop increasingly advanced AI technologies, we risk escalating conflicts and destabilizing global security. But despite these challenges, we should not shy away from the promise of AI. Instead, we must strive to mitigate these risks. Experts argue for the need to establish clear guidelines and safeguards for the use of AI in warfare. Regulations should ensure that AI systems are transparent, accountable, and respect international law. They should also include measures to prevent the misuse of AI and to protect against cyber threats. Moreover, we need to foster a culture of responsibility among those developing and using AI technologies. This includes rigorous testing and validation of AI systems before they're deployed, as well as continuous monitoring and evaluation of their performance on the battlefield. AI has the potential to revolutionize warfare, but only if we navigate its challenges with wisdom and responsibility. As we move forward into this new era, we must remember that technology is a tool, not a master. It should serve our values and interests, not dictate them. We must establish clear guidelines and safeguards to prevent misuse and unintended consequences. The future of warfare depends on our ability to harness the power of AI responsibly and ethically. This is not just a challenge for the military, but for all of humanity.